Hi guys, welcome back to Joey's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In this video I'm going to show you how to fry the tastiest Ghana style soft chicken. Okay, so if you are interested, let's get started. So guys, I have already washed my chicken with salt, with lemon, about 2-3 times, and I've got here a mixture of soft chicken and soft chicken breast. I'll go ahead and steam the chicken with onion, garlic, ginger, red chilies, rosemary, and I've got one bay leaf. So I'll go ahead and put everything in my blender and add about a cup of water, and then I'm going to blend it until smooth. Next, I'm going to pour it on the chicken. Then I'll go ahead and add my seasoning. So I'm going to start with chicken seasoning. So this is from the brand Maggi, but please feel free to use any brand you like. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and stir. So as you can see, I did not add a lot of seasoning, just a basic one. So salt and chicken seasoning. All right, and I'm telling you, this fried chicken is going to taste ridiculously good. All right, so stir it well, then cover it up and let it simmer for about 15 to, let's say, 25 minutes. But be sure to come and check on your chicken and to give it a little stir. So you can see it here. This is after about 10 to 12 minutes of steaming, and I'm just stirring up to make sure it cooks perfectly. Okay, yeah. And of course you can also use boiled chicken or the hard one. We prefer the soft one in this house. Okay guys, here I am again, and at this time my chicken is ready, and you can see all this chicken stock here. I'm going to use it, of course, when I'm making my jollof rice or my chicken stew, and I've got enough here. Right, so now it is time to take the chicken out of the cooking pot. Okay. So guys, as I said, this is my chicken broth, and you can use it for your stews, for your jollof rice, and much more. And I'm going to heat up some oil. When I'm frying chicken, I always like to fry it in fresh clean oil. I don't know about you, but that's me. Yeah. And whilst it's heating, I'm going to add in some curry powder. This is Madras mild curry powder, and also to add more flavor to it, I'm going to add some onion and then let it fry. And then I am going to add in my chicken pieces and fry it. I'll repeat this process for about 2 or 3 times because I've got a lot of chicken to fry. And just so you know, I was going to make a chicken stew with the chicken and keep some for something else. You know, whenever my kids are eating fries, they like it with the homemade fried chicken. So yeah, that's why you see a lot of chicken here. So let it fry, and don't forget to turn it over so that it doesn't burn. Okay, so it cooks or fries perfectly. this is how I like my fried chicken, but if you want it to be a little bit more darker, please go ahead and let it fry a few more minutes. But this is usually how I like it, not too hard. And by the way, this is soft chicken, so I'm taking it out of the oil, and I'm going to let the excess oil drain on kitchen towel. Hey guys, here is my delicious fried soft chicken. I can tell you, you are going to love it, and it smells amazing. Very simple, very few seasoning. That's all you need for the perfect fried chicken. So I'll go ahead and show you how it looks like on the inside. So this is it. You can see this is perfectly fried chicken. So guys, this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Please leave me a comment. Do not forget your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you next time for part 2. Part 2 is the chicken stew with this fried chicken. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.